Hi, good morning po, Sir Dave Lauren. Sir, ito po yung actual video test ng order ng Asus RX 580 8GB ROG sticks. Work fine, working naman po. Ayun lang. May 18 power connector required. Gamit lang po kayo ng rated at branded na power supply. Huwag po yung generic. At least po rated at branded na 550 watts pataas po. Huwag lang po yung generic na 700 watts. Hindi po talaga internal. Okay? So yan wireless sticker po namin, sir. Paano bawal po buksan yung video card o alis yung wireless sticker para pag may problem po, papalitan po namin. Pero pag open po yung wireless sticker, binuksan po yung video card, void po yung warranty. Sir, paano po na? So yan lang. Ayan po, so per month test natin. Time running na, 8 minutes. Ayan, 9 minutes na. Reading na sa afterburner. Ayan. Ayan. Okay. Time running. Okay, 9 minutes 30 seconds. Okay. Ayan po. Yung graph, napaka-stable lang. Straight lang po. Straight na straight. Ito po yung buong screen. Wala po kahit anong issue. Sir Dave Rowland, wala pong random na start or random shutdown. Walang hang and piece. Wala din po yung BSOD at garbage display na lumalabas. Napaka-smooth and stable lang po. Guaranteed po namin. Close. Okay. Right click driver check yan. Download install nyo lang po sa AMD website. GPU AMD Radeon RX 580. DRAM niya memory po 8192 MB or 8GB. Then Google Chrome for time and date checking lang po para alam nyo real time kung kailan po nare-record yung video test before po namin ship out today. 10:42 AM Sunday, June 16, 2025. Time natin real time. Okay, isa pa. Each time now. Yan po. Ito po kung gusto nyo mong double check kung real time, kung or hindi, kung legit or nadadaya. Ayan po pala. Double check yung website. Ito din po isa. Okay, yun lang po Sir Dave from there. Thank you po. Close ko na to and shutdown para ma-ship out na po namin. Yung fan, buo po, walang putol, kahit na isa, may pin. 18 power connector po ulit, sir, power supply, rated at branded lang po na power supply, 550 watts pataas pwede na. Yung mga brand po na Corsair, Gigabyte, Asus, yan, Rock, pwede na rin. Si Sonic, yan. Warranty sticker po sir, paano bawal po buksan or alisin yung warranty sticker para hindi po mag-void yung warranty. So yun lang. Yun na po Sir Dave. Thank you po. Bye.